Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: tickets, Park Pass, and the My Disney Experience app. Once done, link every ticket to your profile so reservations show correctly. This avoids wasted time at the park. Make sure your payment method is saved and enable app notifications because Lightning Lane windows and returns change fast. Also, review valid park hours and Genie Plus eligibility for your date. Knowing which attractions offer Lightning Lane helps you prioritize which selections to grab first. At 7:00 a.m. on the day of your visit, purchase Genie Plus or the individual Lightning Lane items you want. You must act quickly. Choose the earliest practical return time and note the start and end of the return window so you arrive on schedule. Once you tap in, immediately open the app to reserve the next available Lightning Lane. If you don't get the slot you want, refresh or use the stack technique. Book the next one you'll realistically make, then adjust later as better times appear. When your Lightning Lane window begins, head to the Lightning Lane entrance and scan your magic band or ticket. This is how staff verify your reservation. If you miss the window, rebook immediately in the app or visit guest services. Often they can help with one-time adjustments. If a ride breaks down or is temporarily closed, monitor the app for refunds or reschedule options. You may be offered compensation. Finally, keep checking for last-minute openings and use notifications to capitalize on cancellations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.